Are you tired of getting irrelevant or inconsistent responses from ChatGPT? Or maybe you're just curious about how to make the most of this powerful AI chatbot. Either way, you are in the right place. In the next few minutes, I will give you the tips and tools you need to get the most out of ChatGPT and take your conversations to the next level. Watch till the end for my bonus tip on how to supercharge your ChatGPT experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Explanation of ChatGPT. Before we dive into specific, let's start with a quick overview of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful AI chatbot that uses deep learning to generate responses to any prompt you give. It's like having a conversation partner who's always ready to chat with you about anything. However, the quality of the responses depends on the prompts you give and on the complexity of the topic. But here's the thing, ChatGPT is not perfect. Before we continue, I will clarify one question I always read about ChatGPT. Why ChatGPT generates different answers? ChatGPT is like a chef who's always experimenting with different techniques and ingredients to create the perfect dish. Just like a chef, ChatGPT is based on a neural network that's constantly learning and updating its responses based on new data. This means that even if you give ChatGPT the same prompt multiple times, it might come up with different responses each time. To make things even more interesting, the network's weights and biases are randomly initialized, just like a chef might use different amounts of spices each time they make a dish. Additionally, dropout is used during draining, which is like the chef is adding or removing ingredients to see how the dish turns out. All of this experimentation and variation is what makes ChatGPT so powerful and adaptable. However, it also can lead to irrelevant or inconsistent responses. That's why in the next section I will show you how to use prompts and extensions to guide ChatGPT and get the best responses. So let's dive into the tips and tools you need. Using prompts to get better results. Using prompts is essential to getting the best results from ChatGPT. Think of prompts as commands you give ChatGPT. The more specific and clear your prompts are, the better results you will get. For example, if you want to generate titles for a YouTube video in the AI niche, a good prompt would be: give me 10 creative and attention-grabbing titles for a YouTube video on the latest AI breakthroughs. This prompt is specific, clear, and includes important details that helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you're looking for. On the other hand, a weak and general prompt like "give me 10 YouTube titles" will likely result in irrelevant or unsatisfactory responses. Remember to use punctuation and break down complex questions into smaller parts to help ChatGPT understand your prompts better. If you want a more specific video on prompts, leave a comment down below. Using browser extensions to get better results. Another way to improve your ChatGPT experience is by using Chrome extensions. There are tons out of there, and in this video I just share my favorite. There will be a video about extensions for ChatGPT and I will link it right here. The extension I'm about to show you is called Superpower ChatGPT. This extension enhances the ChatGPT experience by adding more features and options. It helps you to organize your conversations with ChatGPT with the ability to create folders. To install this extension, just head over to Google and look for Superpower ChatGPT, and then head over to the Chrome Web Store and click on Add. That easy. Let's see how this extension enhances our ChatGPT experience. On the left side, you can create folders. You can also search for conversations. If you have tons of conversations, you can close and open your folders. You have a trash bin. You can multi-select and delete conversations. You have a prompt history and you have community prompts. If you click on community prompts, you can, for example, if you want to have a prompt for a specific thing in your mind, like social media manager, you just type it into the search bar and you can choose which prompt you want to use. For example, this one is fitting my needs. I really love the community prompts. There's some gems in there. I really recommend using it and look for the best ones and then redefine the prompts to your need. Now let's head over to the bonus tip I promised. I will give you a list of prompts I found on the internet. It's a GitHub link you will find down in the description below. There are a lot of helpful prompts. That's it, my tips on using prompts and extensions to get the best results with ChatGPT. Remember, the more you use it, the better you get in giving prompts. So keep practicing and experimenting, and don't be afraid of trying new things. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.